Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to navigate changing your Microsoft Bing to your Google Chrome. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Microsoft Edge account and then head over to your Microsoft Bing by just typing in Microsoft Bing and it will bring you to this page. On Microsoft Bing, you can carry out the world of activities like asking questions using this box. You can also decide to paste a link that would search for the required information you need. You can also click on this plus icon over here and then add your pictures or video illustration for you to search on the net. You can click on this drop down option over here to choose whichever option you want here to explore the possibilities you want to on Microsoft Bing. Over here you have a record menu. When you click on that, you can simply record your voice audio to send to Copilot to give you whatever results you are looking for. And at the top over here you have the setting button, and when you click on that, you can decide to change theme and carry out a world of possibilities on Microsoft Bing. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change Microsoft Bing to Google Chrome. Alright, first of all, you want to head over to your Google Chrome to make that happen. So we'll just head over to our Google Chrome and then pick our preferred browser and head over there. And this is what our Google Chrome looks like, and this is where we'll be changing Microsoft Bing to Google. Now head over to the top right corner over here where you have your three dotted lines. Click on that and then head over to settings where all the magic happens. We'll click on settings. It will take us to this page. This is where you would change Microsoft Bing to Google. Now head over to search engine, which is this option over here. We'll click on that, and normally if it's set on Google Bing, this is how it will appear. All right, and then when you want to change this from Google Bing to Google Chrome rather, you just click on change and then click on Google, and you set as default as your default browser from Microsoft Bing to Google Chrome. This is how to easily change Microsoft Bing to Google Chrome in these simple steps. Remember, we did not go through our Microsoft Bing platform. We came over to Google Chrome, clicked on settings, went through search engine, came to this page where we changed from Microsoft Bing to Google Chrome. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to change Microsoft Bing to Google Chrome. Until next time, bye for now.